Hey, hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Binance to any other crypto exchange platform out there. Okay, in my case I'm going to use Kucoin.com. Alright, so to withdraw from Binance, go to wallet and fiat and spot and click on withdraw, or choose the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw and click withdraw. Either way it will take you to the same page. Then get to choose the coin that you want to withdraw. In my case it will be XLM. So why I have choose XLM, it's because it has the lowest gas fees on Binance to withdraw. So I converted my cryptocurrency that I wanted to withdraw from Binance to XLM to take advantage of the low fees. Then when I get them on the other exchange platform, I will convert them back to whatever cryptocurrency I want to hold. Then choose the network. I'm going to choose this one, and here is a notice. So I need the address and a memo, all right, that I will be getting from the other exchange. Okay, so click confirm, and now let's head to the other exchange platform, and here I am. Click on deposit, or this one, they are the same, and choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. As we've already showed you, I'm going to withdraw XLM, so I'm going to choose XLM, and here it is. So as you can see, here is a notice of you'll be getting an address and a memo. All right, click continue. So as you can see, again there is another notice, and here it is. Okay, here is the address. Copy it, paste it here, and copy and paste. Now choose how much you want to withdraw. I'm going to withdraw everything and click max, and now click withdraw. Click continue and complete. And now as you can see, we have 0 XLM. So give it a bit of time. Afterwards you'll get an email that the transaction went through successfully, and check your account on the other exchange to find that your crypto has arrived. Okay, so this is the video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.